The winter season can feel a lot like a weather roller coaster at times, with big variations in temperatures and conditions. This week is one of those. Meteorologist Rebecca Sweet shows us some of the wildest weather we have seen in East Tennessee.
East Tennessee is known for its extreme swings with the weather during the winter season. The range from the warmest to coldest temperatures on record really tells that story. The coldest temperature on record is 24 degrees below zero on January 21st, 1985. Meanwhile, our warmest temperature during the winter season was 83 degrees in February of 1977 and 1996. That is over a 100-degree variation during the winter months. As for snowfall, well, some years see more than others, but the biggest snow events on record are 17.5 inches in one day. That was on February 13th, 1960, 25.7 inches in 1 month, February 1895, and 41.6 inches during the winter season of 1894 through 1895. To put those numbers into perspective, Knoxville typically sees 6 to 9 inches of snow each season. So what will this winter bring? We'll have our full winter weather forecast coming up tomorrow on the Night Beat.
Looking forward to that.